Today, I'm going to show you 3 techniques used in movies, interviews, and professional videos to hide cuts naturally in DaVinci Resolve: J-Cut, L-Cut, and Match Cut. If you apply these, your videos will instantly level up. J-Cut. A J-Cut happens when the audio from the next scene comes in before the image cuts, meaning the audience hears the next scene before they see it.
Shut it! So!
On the timeline, this forms a J-shape. How do you do this in DaVinci? Unlink the audio from the video, then drag the audio from the next scene so it starts before the visual cut. If needed, add a slight fade to smooth it out. And do you know why this works? Because the brain starts processing the new sound information before the visual change. This creates a smooth transition, widely used in interviews, podcasts, educational videos, dialogues, and so on. L-Cut. The L-Cut is the opposite. The image cuts, but the audio from the previous scene continues. On the timeline, this forms an L shape.
Count it out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How do you do it? Unlink the audio. Extend the audio from the first scene so it continues after the visual cut. Adjust the volume if necessary. When should you use it? When you want to maintain emotion, continuity, or a natural feel. It's widely used in emotional scenes, conversations, and more immersive narratives. The L-Cut holds onto the emotion, even after the image has changed. Match Cut. Now the most cinematic one. The match cut is a cut based on similar movement, shape, or action between two scenes. You cut in the middle of the movement, not when it's still. How do you do it in DaVinci? Find 2 similar movements and cut exactly at the peak of the action. If necessary, adjust the position or zoom to align them better. Timing is everything here. Pro tip: never cut when the character is still, cut during the movement. The brain fills in the rest. The secret of the match cut isn't the effect, it's the timing. If you master these 3 techniques: J-Cut, audio comes in first; L-Cut, audio continues after; Match Cut, movement connects scenes. A professional edit isn't about flashy transitions, it's about cuts that no one notices. Now tell me, which of these do you already use in your videos? If this helped you, comment which of these techniques you already use.